Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will study about Krebs cycle. So basically Krebs cycle is also known as TCA cycle or citric acid cycle, and it is a biochemical pathway used to generate energy through oxidation of acetyl CoA, which in turn leads to the synthesis of NADH and amino acids as well. So amino acids and NADH is also produced during the oxidation of acetyl CoA. The first step in the Krebs cycle is the preparatory step. Acetyl CoA is formed from pyruvate, which is a 3-carbon compound. Now this pyruvate is basically formed from glucose through the process of glycolysis. So, because of glycolysis, pyruvate is formed, which is a 3-carbon compound, and from pyruvate, acetyl CoA is formed, and this acetyl CoA is formed by pyruvate dehydrogenase enzyme. And carbon dioxide plus NADH is also released during this reaction, and pyruvate is converted into acetyl CoA by pyruvate dehydrogenase enzyme. And during this reaction, carbon dioxide and NADH is also released. And whole of this reaction, that the conversion of pyruvate to acetyl CoA, is known as oxidative decarboxylation. It is known as decarboxylation because acetyl CoA is a 2-carbon compound. So from 3-carbon compound pyruvate to 2-carbon compound acetyl CoA is formed. So there is removal of carbon. So that is why this is known as decarboxylation. And this carbon is released in the form of CO2 from here. Now this acetyl CoA reacts with oxaloacetic acid, which contains 4 carbon and forms citric acid, which is a 6-carbon containing compound. This reaction of combination of acetyl CoA and oxaloacetic acid to form citric acid is catalyzed by citrate synthase enzyme. And now the citric acid is isomerized to form isocitrate, which is again a 6-carbon containing compound. And now this isocitrate goes through decarboxylation and carbon is released in the form of CO2, and NAD plus is reduced to form NADH plus H plus, and this for isocitrate gets converted into alpha ketoglutaric acid, which is 5-carbon containing compound because carbon is removed in the form of carbon dioxide from isocitrate. So this 6-carbon containing isocitrate converts into 5-carbon containing alpha ketoglutaric acid. And in the next step, alpha ketoglutaric dehydrogenase enzyme acts on alpha ketoglutaric acid and converts it into succinyl CoA. Now this succinyl CoA is 4-carbon containing compound. So alpha ketoglutaric acid undergoes decarboxylation reaction here also, and the carbon is removed in the form of CO2, and again NAD plus is reduced to NADH plus H plus or NADH2 molecule. Now in the next step, succinate thiokinase enzyme acts on succinyl CoA and converts it into succinic acid. Now in this step, the CoA is released, and this is facilitated by succinate thiokinase enzyme, and also GTP is formed from GDP during this reaction when succinyl thiokinase converts succinyl CoA to succinic acid, and from here the succinic acid is converted into fumaric acid or fumarate by succinate dehydrogenase, and FAD plus is reduced to FADH plus H plus or FADH2 molecule. And in the next step, from fumaric acid by the action of fumarase enzyme, the fumaric acid gets converted into malic acid. Now the last step is the conversion of malic acid to oxaloacetic acid. This is facilitated by malic dehydrogenase, and during this process of conversion of malic acid to oxaloacetic acid, NAD plus is reduced to NADH2 molecule, and this in turn completes the citric acid cycle, because malic acid then again converts to oxaloacetic acid, and again when acetyl CoA comes in this cycle, enters this cycle, it combines with oxaloacetic acid and again forms citric acid cycle, and again in this way this cycle continues, and in turn produces ATP and GTP and NADH2 molecule here. NADH, FADH molecules and carbon molecules that are produced by this cycle are then fed to the electron transport chain to produce ATP, because ATP is a form of energy, and in this way energy is produced, and this Krebs cycle becomes a sole basis for this formation of ATP, or in case we can also say that it becomes a sole basis for respiration in organisms. I hope you have understood the Krebs cycle completely. If you have any doubts in this Krebs cycle, you can ask them in the comment section.